How to add a mask to a layer in Photoshop. Simply select the layer, this one, perfectly reasonable, go to layer and then layer mask and reveal all. Nothing changes, absolutely nothing other than in the layers panel, you'll notice now you've got a mask there. And this is the mask. It's filled with white. Now you can apply gradients, brush strokes, etc. to it. So over here, gradient tool, I'm going with black to white and simply apply it. And that's applied to that layer there, layer mask. The black shows transparency, you can see through that area. The white, you can see, is solid, just as before. You can do the other way around, or diagonally. You can see there, white again at the top, you can see the solid, transparency again, black. And that's the key thing. What you can also do is go to like effects, image, adjustments, maybe go for invert. And that will invert it around so you can see now you've got the black there, transparency there, white, again solid. Or maybe go to filter. So filter, distort, and maybe go for twirl. Apply that. All kinds of different effects can be applied to create different transparency in this image. So what you can also do, and I'm just going to remove this, you can very quickly get rid of the mask. Simply delete that. Delete there. However, what you can do, go to layer, down here, mask all objects. So if you've got something fairly simple like this, really quick and easy way of doing this is mask all objects. So select that, takes a few seconds to process, but it generally does a great result and it will create a mask for you from this. As soon as it processes it, it's done. And it generates this. Now what happens, it generates it on top. Slightly unusual way it's done it. However, all you need to do, simply select it and just drag down. And you've got your mask with that, obviously that image there. You can select it just as before. You can change all various things. You've got here, properties panel. You can find that in the window menu and you can go to, say, feather. So you can just feather that and create a nice sort of transparency there, just using that. And you can see it becomes very blurred. Now you can do exactly the same. Simply go over here, select this, go to filter, maybe go to blur, Gaussian blur, and those sort of effects, and again achieve the same thing. However, this is a non-destructive effect, so you can apply the feather, modify it, change it back again if you don't like it. Now what you can also do is you can use this with selections. It's a real sort of great thing with selections. So let's just go over here, and I'm going to go for elliptical marquee tool. Just create nice selection there. Well, what you can do then is you can go over here, select this, select that, and you can see then go down, you've got disable it, you can remove it, delete, etc. And also you've got add mask to selection. So you've got this current select, just simply do that, and now you've got the selection added. So you've got that circular as well as the original mask there, the selection around the person there. Great way of creating all kinds of different designs. And once you've done that, you of course can apply effects to it, etc. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Thank you much.